Setting up your Toyota multimedia audio system involves four essential configuration steps that will optimize your driving experience and enable all system features. First, select your preferred language and region. This crucial step localizes voice commands and services, ensuring the system understands your commands accurately and provides region-specific information. Next, connect to a Wi-Fi network. This connection is essential for over-the-air updates, real-time traffic information, and access to cloud-based streaming services that enhance your driving experience. The third step is pairing your smartphone via Bluetooth. This enables wireless Apple CarPlay or Android Auto integration, which is now standard on most 2024 and 2025 Toyota models, providing seamless access to your apps and services. Finally, calibrate your audio system. Many Toyota models offer automatic speaker configuration that analyzes your vehicle's acoustic environment and optimizes sound quality based on your specific model and seating arrangement. Once these four steps are completed, your Toyota multimedia audio system will be fully configured and optimized for your personal preferences and driving needs. Bluetooth connectivity problems are among the most common issues with Toyota multimedia systems. When your phone won't connect or keeps disconnecting, there are specific steps to resolve this. The solution involves two key steps. First, clear your device cache by going to your phone's Bluetooth settings and forgetting the Toyota connection. Second, restart both your smartphone and the car's multimedia system completely. Audio quality problems can significantly impact your listening experience. Poor sound quality often stems from incorrect source settings or improper equalizer configuration. To fix audio quality issues, first verify your source quality by checking if the problem occurs with different audio sources like radio, Bluetooth, or USB. Then access the equalizer settings and adjust the frequency bands or select an appropriate preset. Navigation accuracy problems can make your GPS unreliable. These issues typically occur when the GPS receiver cannot properly communicate with satellites due to signal interference or poor initial setup. The key to fixing navigation issues is ensuring the GPS has a clear view of the sky during initial setup. Park in an open area away from buildings, trees, or tunnels. Allow the system several minutes to acquire satellite signals before beginning navigation. Voice recognition problems prevent you from using hands-free commands effectively. The system may not understand your voice or respond incorrectly to commands due to improper training or environmental factors. To resolve voice recognition issues, complete the voice training process in a quiet environment. Speak clearly and naturally during training, and ensure there is minimal background noise. The system learns your speech patterns and improves accuracy over time. These troubleshooting steps resolve the most common Toyota multimedia system issues. Remember that systematic diagnosis and following the proper sequence of steps will help you quickly identify and fix problems with your audio system.